Oh yeah, check it out. With these glasses, I can take a piece of fishing line and thread a hook. Woohoo! All right. Hey, I'm Steve. I just got in these TruVision reading glasses, a set of 4. Let's get into them. Take a look. When you open the box, each pair of glasses comes with its own microfiber bag. In the pack of 4 that I bought, it includes these 2 black, the blue, and the tortoise. And what's going to happen in my house is my wife is going to grab the tortoise and the blue, and I'll be using the 2 black. Little sticker on each of the glasses gives the strength. We're using the 1.75s. You will also see the strength on the frame of the glasses as well. Let me see if I can give you some close-ups without too much of the light reflecting on these. They look perfect for me and my wife. You know, we're all the time losing these glasses, and we also, you know, we've got a couple vehicles. We'll throw some in each vehicle, and even our family, we'll keep some over at their house. These seem to be perfect for something like that. Very stylish. I love the way they look. One of the features that I'd like you to take note is they have these spring hinges. I like that. That's a great feature. Now, I'm very happy with these glasses, especially for the price, so I can definitely recommend them to you. Oh yeah, check it out. With these glasses, I can take a piece of fishing line and thread a hook. Woohoo! All right. All right, check it out. The blue ones, they match my hat. I didn't realize that, but I won't be wearing these. My wife will. She'll make sure I get the black ones.